Welcome to our Mary University Virtualized Simple Pendulum experiment. The general instructions for all virtualized experimental videos are as follows. Number 1. Listen to the instructions carefully for about 1 minute before starting your virtualized experiment. Number 2. In all virtualized videos, you are supposed to do a pause in each video and note down the timer readings, then resume the video and count the number of 50 complete oscillations. Number 3. After completing the counts, note down the timer readings and find their difference and record the data in set 1 of Table 1. Number 4. When you are done with first set, repeat the experiment using similar steps and record your data in set 2 of Table 1, then proceed to the next virtualized video. Number 5. Bear in mind that each length in part A and each angle in part B has a unique virtualized experimental video, and all other Judah lines are provided in the dashboard. Now, the first virtualized video has a pendulum length of 0.5 meters and it's suspended to an angle of less than 10 degrees as shown in the setup one. Start your first experiment immediately after the setup.